Hi, this is Naughty Nana, and back to our game. Minecraft is about building and transforming your world. It operates on a 20-minute daylight night cycle. There's 10 minutes of daylight, 1.5 minutes of sunset and sunrise, and 7 minutes of nighttime. During nighttime, the world is covered in darkness, and there are lots of hostile baddies and mobs who come to get you. So once you get going, the first thing you'll do is build a house. But for the moment, we're still learning. Um, and if you, first of all, look at the bottom line, and you can see there's a line of red hearts. There are 10 red hearts, and they're your lives. So at night time, when the spiders and the zombies come out, you lose one red heart every time they attack you, and you don't beat them until all 10 are gone, and then that game finishes, but it's easy to respawn. On the right hand side to the hearts, there are little energy buttons, and as you move around and do work, those buttons will reduce, and you need to learn how to restore your energy by cooking chickens and lamb. But that's a little while on yet. For the moment, the first thing we need to do is create a crafting table. So we're going to go over to some wood, collect some wood, and create our crafting table. So hold the left-hand button down on your mouse. Whoops, you can see because we weren't close enough. Aha, because we were closer, we picked that up. So if we move a little bit, we picked up that additional one. Now turn your mouse so that you can see the bottom of the tree and keep chopping it down. When you chop the tree down, you can get saplings or fruit or a variety of little things. So you keep going till it's all chopped down. So I was placing the block, I'm just gathering them up again. And see that little floating one, if you move on top of it, you'll pick it up. And that's because you weren't close enough. Now, what we're going to do is create a crafting table, which is the first thing we need to do. So we move the oak logs up there. We're going to pick up just one. You only want one, and by clicking the left hand, you're able to pick up one, just move it up there, and you can see I've created 4 oak planks. I move the oak planks down there, and it says new recipes unlocked. So if we come here, you can see that this is what we want to create, a crafting table. So to create the crafting table, we move 1, 2. We need to pick up the 4 of them. So using your right hand button, and you can see the crafting table appears here. We picked it up and we move it down here. And you can see those have gone red because we can't select those anymore. We'd have, if we played around with these logs, we could get more, but we only need one crafting table. So we'll go out, press E, and whoops, press E. Now I want to put the crafting table down and show you what's inside. So I select number 3 and see the crafting table comes up, and the crafting table is on your right. And then I just where my arrow, sorry. I place the crafting table down by clicking my right hand, and then I just click on it and on the right hand, and it brings up the crafting table. And you can see it with the crafting table, it's bigger and allows you to create more things. So as we get more wood, we can create planks. And when we create the planks, there are more things that we can build. And so you come over here, if we want to make some sticks from that, we pull that out because the sticks can be useful. You can see more and more things come out. We just plop that up there, and then we've got some planks, and then we put the planks up there. And we've got 4 sticks. We've got lots of sticks now. So that's the crafting table. So we come back out. Oh, and look, night has come. So we always pick up your crafting table by moving to it and holding the left hand mouse. There we are. And you see it's appeared in column number 1. Now you can see it's dark, and we don't have a house, so we're going to be, or any fire, so we're going to be pretty unprotected. But let's walk it and see there's footsteps on the left. There's a zombie, and the zombie is coming to get us. Oh, and we're hurt. Oh, so we're losing our hearts. See how they go down and down and down and down. Ooh. So I've died because the zombies got me. But it's easy. You just respawn, and then you're back the same place. And you keep on the move and try and avoid the zombies. So try that out. Try one. There are 2 things to try before you go on to the next video. 1, chopping down wood and creating a crafting table, and then doing a respawn. See how easy it is. Escape. See you next video.